Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make super easy and delicious vegetable recipe, and that is eggplant with potatoes. It's really yummy with pita bread, with rice, or even just simply like that. So for that I need 2 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 potatoes, some curry leaf, cumin, poppy seed, asafoetida, ginger garlic paste, eggplant, salt to taste, oil, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. I'm also going to have 200 ml of water that I will use in the last. Now I'm going to heat my pan with almost 5 tablespoons of water, oil. I'm sorry. Add up your curry leaves, pinch of cumin, and some poppy seeds. That's the magic. This is some magic which works so well, especially with eggplant. It's delicious. So make sure that you put it in the beginning, and then I'm going to add up my sliced onion. I've thinly sliced it. Just mix. Then I'm going to add up some garlic. Now again, garlic is really good with eggplant. It's really tasty. So it depends on you. If you don't like it, you can avoid it, but I like garlic to be a little bit thinly chopped. Yeah. Now I'm going to add up some salt. It's again, it's according to your taste. If you don't like, you can avoid, but it's really good. I'm going to add up hing or asafoetida. You need to mix it up really well. Now I'm going to add up my potatoes. I have not chopped big. I have chopped small potatoes so that it gets cooked very quick. Yeah. So just make sure that you do that if you want to finish it quick. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep on mixing very nicely and gradually so that all my potatoes get cooked really well. I've added up my eggplants here. I'm mixing it up very well. Now I'm going to add up here my tomatoes, garlic, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander. You can use according to your taste. Now mix. Close it. Now I will open. I will add some water. Mix. And then I'm going to put the lid on again and leave it to cook for almost 10-15 minutes. And this is how it looks like. My tomatoes are melted. It's really well cooked. Everything is ready, and it smells delicious and heaven. That's it. You put the close the lid, let the steam get absorbed, and it is ready to eat. This is how it look like. I have put some coriander just to decorate it, and it's really good source of vitamins. I'm going to plate it out, and this is how it look like after some time. Super yummy. You can eat with your white cheese if you want, or feta cheese itself. It's super delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my videos. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.